Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at the best of Reddit's popping forum. First, we have this ingrown hair. It has 5400 karma. Amazing clip. Nice. Then, we have this blackhead on a cheek, submitted by P. Ruthless. While you watch, please click that subscribe button, and click like if you like pimple pops. Now take a look at what appears to be a carbuncle. Here's another pimple that I know you're gonna love. Speaking of pimple pops, stick around for the end of the video to learn about pimple popper tools. Next, check out these ingrown hairs that appear to be in an armpit. Well, that was fun. Stick around for a message about pimple popper tools, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.